Good morning, Knights. It's time to stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Knights. It's Tuesday, November 8th. I'm Henry.
And I'm Alex.
In today's bulletin, we have fun things and more. The bulletin is on. The food drive continues through this Thursday, November 10th. Let's see how many items have been collected by each class so far. Freshmen have 46 items, 10th graders are not far behind with 32 items, juniors are trailing with only 28 items, and check the seniors, 61 items so far. Remember, keep bringing in donations of non-perishable food items to help our community. For every 10 items you donate, you can get an entry to the thank you drawing. Be sure to turn in your donations to an ASB student between 7 a.m. and 7:25 a.m. or turn it in to the office, Welcome Center, or Madame Erickson's classroom. That's room 246. So you receive your entry to the drawing. Only 3 days left. Let's show how generous the Knights are.
Winter sports are just about to begin. In today's show, you'll hear dates and times for a few sport meetings and practices that start soon. First up is wrestling. Are you going to try out for it? The boys and girls wrestling team will meet in the weight room on Monday, November 14th at 2:30 to begin the first day of practice. So get ready to work out after school next Monday and show up at their weight room at 2:30 and let the season begin.
And girls basketball tryouts also will begin on the 14th. Those girls interested in playing basketball this year, tryouts will take place from 5 to 7 p.m. in the gym.
If you plan to try out for baseball in the spring, you're invited to an off-season meeting this Thursday after school. The meeting will run from 2:15 to 2:45 and will cover the off-season weight program and open gym opportunities to get you ready for tryouts. If you have any questions, reach out to Coach Els or Coach Nielsen.
Student-led conferences were held last week, and a big shout-out goes to those who showed up and presented. For those of you who are unable to attend conferences, please consider asking your Knight Skills teacher for your Impact Aid form that needs to be completed by your parent or guardian. These forms are very important and need to be completed and turned in as soon as possible.
All right, let's talk about some assemblies and expected behavior from students in the audience.
Please do your best to be a respectful audience member. Recognize that unlike most sporting events, audience members of performances and presentations are expected to listen quietly, responsibly, and appropriately. The performance happens on the stage, not in the audience. If you want attention during a performance, consider auditioning and participating on stage.
Let me tell you this, Henry. One time, I was disrespectful at an assembly. Do you want to know what happened to me?
What happened?
You don't want to know. Let me tell you. Anvil, right through the ceiling, crushed me.
Great Scott.
Never to be seen again.
It's terrible. Don't be disrespectful, Knights.
Students planning to try out and or participate in winter athletes will report for the gym for a winter sports meeting with the BHS Athletics Director today after 6th period. We are on a special assembly schedule today, by the way. Students not participating in a winter sport will go to the PAC for a preview of the fall musical.
This Friday is Veterans Day. On Thursday, NJROTC will present an assembly to acknowledge and thank our staff, family, and friends that serve and have served in our nation's armed forces. We will be on an assembly schedule Thursday. Teachers, remember to go over the PAC seating chart with your Knight Skills classes prior to heading out to the assembly on Thursday.
Choir students will be released a bit early to prepare for the assembly. Choir students, you're to report to 2nd period as usual, and you'll be released at 8:35. This should allow students to check in with their 2nd period teachers and to gather any assignments they may miss during 2nd period on Thursday. And teachers, Miss Mick appreciates your support of the choir.
If you are a senior and want help creating a resume, sign up in the College Success Center today. Classes will be held 6th period today and Thursday in room 231. The classes have limited seating, so it's first come, first serve. For more info, see Mr. A.
Knights on Stage will present their fall musical this weekend. Some of your favorite numbers from Broadway with an original student-written script will come together for a musical and dramatic performance. Admission is free, and there will only be 3 performances, so choose a show, mark your calendar, and support your Knights on Stage. Shows will be held on Friday and Saturday at 7 p.m. and Sunday at 2 p.m. Come out to support your Knights on stage.
Here's what's up after school today. Autism Acceptance Club will meet in room 257. AV Club will meet in room 103 until 3:30. Clay Club is in room 129. Gaming Club and Night Academy will take place in the library until 4 p.m. And Robotics Club will be in room 123.
And let's see who's celebrating their birthdays today. Happy birthday to Adelaide, Lala, and Xavier. That's today's birthdays.
Well, that's all we have for you today. Have a great Tuesday.
Go Knights.